అందరికీ శుభోదయం. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. వెల్కమ్ టు లీగల్ మ్యాటర్స్ బై సాయిబాబు సుంకర్. On 8th April 2026, Honorable Supreme Court of India, two judges bench, dissolved the matrimonial battle of Mahabharata. It was written there, matrimonial battle of Mahabharata, because of the 10 years estranged marriage and 80 plus cases, ultimately ordering permanent alimony to the wife by the so-called husband, who is none but a lawyer. Lawyer used his legal expertise, lawyer used his intelligence in booking so many cases. We'll come to know that later. Justice Vikramath and Sandeep Mehta, of course, names not disclosed, X versus Y, SLP number 28,311 by 2024, on 8/4/2026, strongly criticized the conduct of the lawyer because for why he was actually reprimanded, criticized is because of prolonging the issues using his legal expertise. The couple, they were living separately for the past, they estranged marriage for the past 10 years, 80 plus cases pending against both of them. She filed a case, he filed a case, like that. Ultimately, the cases were filed against the wife, her relatives, and advocates also. This lawyer did not leave anybody, husband lawyer did not leave anybody. So ultimately, Supreme Court put an end to all the disputes by using their powers under Article 142 of the Constitution of India. Let us understand the problem. Actually, the marriage between the lawyer and his wife took place on 21/2010 in Bombay, according to Hindu Rights and Customs. On 21/2010, the marriage was performed. Of course, it was registered as a Special Marriage Act, registered under Special Marriage Act. One of them may be some other caste people. Anyway, out of the love and affection, or out of the family life, 2 children were born. Of course, it is a pitiable thing that now the mother is taking care of the children. They are studying, one of them is studying Canada also. The relationship went sour and they were separated way back on 9/10/2016 and living separately. From 2016, almost for 10 years, the husband lawyer, he stopped his part of paying maintenance to the wife. He stopped all obligations to maintain the family, for the education of the children, for the sustenance of the wife. He did not do anything. Therefore, she initiated the legal proceedings by filing a case in Bombay, Family Court, Bombay. She filed a divorce case and she asked for interim maintenance, and she filed a DVC case, and she has occupied the 3 BHK flat of the husband in Kandavilli, Bombay. Against this advocate also filed a divorce petition, making so many scurrilous allegations against her, and he filed a petition under guardian for child custody. It is pending. In the meantime, so many cases have been filed. The Family Court of Bombay on 6/2/2019 asked him to pay 50,000 as maintenance to the wife and 30,000 as educational expenses to the children. But he failed to pay the same. He was reluctant to pay the same, and he used his legal brain and started filing not many cases. Ultimately, when the matter came before the Supreme Court, he said that he has resigned from the directorship of a company. Now he is penniless, he cannot pay anything. Supreme Court said no. Even though you are a poor person, please remember, it is your duty. Maintenance, upbringing of the children, education of the children, that requires a lot of money. Therefore, you have to pay. Then both of them came before the court. Ultimately, the issue was settled that he was the lawyer was asked to pay 5 crores as permanent alimony, and the wife was asked to vacate the 3 BHK flat peaceably, without any hurdles. She has to choose her own life with this permanent alimony. So, using the powers of Article 142 of the Constitution of India, Supreme Court put full stop to the matrimonial dispute of Mahabharata by dissolving the marriage. So, read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.